All right, you are here because you are interested in the oil cleansing method, and I'm here to break it all down for you. So first and foremost, what is oil cleansing? And it's just as simple as it sounds. It is actually washing your face, hydrating your face, helping soothe your skin through oils. The knowledge we now have with understanding skin is that we are actually really damaging and inflaming our skin by using cleansers with soaps, detergents, being abrasive and harsh to our skin. And the truth of the matter is, you guys, is the skin is smart and it can heal itself, and it just wants you to get out of the way. So that's where Crude Skin Care comes into play. I want to help those of you who are transitioning from traditional skincare methods into the oil cleansing system. I want you to know exactly how it works, what products Crude Skin Care has for you, and how to apply them. Cleanse is your do-it-all product. This is the best eye makeup remover you'll ever use. On top of that, it's deeply cleansing your skin. So you're going to massage this into your skin in circular motions. It feels amazing. It smells amazing. Then you're going to use the pull cloth. Get one of these warm in the water and you just put it on your face, and in circular motions, you just remove all of the oil. So it's soothing. It is not abrasive. It is gentle, and it's so effective, and it's pulling all of the dirt and crap out of your face with this gentle cloth. You can also get cleanse in a 4-ounce bottle as well, for those of you who use it in bulk like I do. You have 2 different sizes of the cleanse. For those of you who love using serums, that is where Bloom comes in and Glow. So this is something that you'll do in addition to cleansing your skin. So Glow is a moisture-rich, soothing serum that's for dry skin. If you're feeling chapped or dry or just need a little bit more hydration, this is where Glow comes in. Bloom is used to restore damaged skin. This is a really great product for softening scars and to just add radiance to your skin. It's a great anti-aging product as well. These 2 products will work as your serum or that extra little boost that you might need. Then we have the Detox. This is an incredible, gentle mask that you can use on your skin as much as you need. This will basically replace something like an exfoliator. So you'll apply this, you mix it with water, apply it all over your skin, let it dry, and it is pulling more impurities out of your skin without exfoliating. The latest product that Crude has come out with is called Wash. This product is a soap-free, detergent-free body wash. The Wash product is a really amazing plant-based natural cleansing oil that you'll use to really help nourish and hydrate and cleanse your body. So this product can also be used as a moisturizer. You can even use this on your face if you'd like. This is a miracle in a bottle product. The most important thing I can tell you is to commit to this. You guys, your skin is used to being beaten up and pulled apart and picked at and inflamed. And that's where Crude wants to go in and soothe and soften and let your skin do what it's naturally supposed to do. So there will be a transitional period as you commit to the skincare process. So you really want to let yourself go through what some people call a purging process. Be patient, commit to it, and you will be shocked at how something so simple and so natural and pure can really help bring your skin to life. If you're ready to commit to the oil cleansing method from Crude Skin Care, I would recommend getting the Convert Kit. The Convert Kit is going to have the Glow, the Bloom, the Detox Mask, Cleanse, as well as the Wash and your pull cloths. I also have an amazing discount code for you. You will get 20% off when you use the code MONEY20. You guys, I'm so passionate about this process. I'm so impressed at how it is changing the lives of people all over the world by just committing to a more gentle, more pure, more effective skincare method through oils. If you have any more questions or just want to see more amazing before and afters and testimonials, please go to livecrude.com, and there's tons of information there that will really help inform you on what's going on with your skin, why it's so important to use oils on your skin. You'll be really impressed at all of the knowledge that you can find there. So if you're ready to make this plunge and dive into the oil cleansing method, please go to livecrude.com, enter the code MONEY20 when you check out for 20% off your purchase.